Hey guys, it's Trimteam. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are jumping right into this video. Never mind how the hair and the brows look. We are doing a review today, so let's get into that. So y'all guys voted in my stories, and as promised, I'm here to review the NK Makeup Nicka Spice Up palette for you guys. It is a very budget-friendly eyeshadow palette. Now, as you can see, this palette does come equipped with some beautiful matte shades. I did go ahead to do some swatches for you guys. They do look very pigmented, and I didn't experience any fallout while swatching them. These were the more creamy texture shades. Very, very soft and creamy. I have never seen them in any other palette before. These were the glitters. I personally don't like glitter in palettes. I don't like glitter in any palette. I just find that the glue actually takes away from the shine of the glitter, but that's just my personal opinion. We'll see how it comes out at the end of the video. Today I'll be using the brown or orange shades just to create sort of a sunset kind of vibe, if you feel me. I will be testing out this orange shimmer shade and also the glitter as well. I am so about to go in on this palette. I primed my eyes with the Plouise Base, and I think I OD'd with this product, guys, because I'm so used to the consistency of my e.l.f. concealer that I went in with a bit too much. But anyways, now I know you see that color come through. Yes, you did. Don't act like you didn't. Yes, honey, yes. Nicka is actually one of the most affordable brands that I have used. I actually love most of their products that I've tried. I'm not surprised with the quality I'm seeing. Like, I'm used to Nicka wowing me. I'm absolutely in love with their concealers, and I tried it last month. I am not going back. Now I'm going in with that second orange shade just to deepen up the color on the crease. I must say that these colors blended in very nicely, and I didn't experience any fallout with these two shades. Now, I did experience a little peeling off with the base, but I think it's because of how I use it. I'm not really too familiar with using the Plouise Base. That's why I always stick to my e.l.f. concealer 100%. Now I'm going in with this brown shade to deepen up the color and create some dimension on my eye. And again, I experienced little to no fallout with this shade. I am so impressed with the color blend this shade is creating right now. Please note that all products that I am using will be down in the description box. So if you are new to my channel, you may not know that I have hooded eyes. So most of my eyeshadow techniques are catered to help those with hooded eyes. So in the meantime, if you want to see a technique on how I achieve simple, beautiful eyeshadow looks, please click the link on top of the screen. Now I'm going ahead to apply the lid color. I'm going to create some space on my lid with the Plouise Base. I'm not creating a cut crease, but something similar to that. And I do have a step-by-step video on how to apply eyeshadow for beginners, so you can click that link as well. Okay, so I went in with this glitter shade, and yes, it did start off looking like glitter, but towards the end of the eye look, I just find it looked like a normal shimmer shade. That is why I usually don't really prefer glitter shadows on my eyes. I just don't. It's a no for me, okay? It's just a no for me. But I will admit that this shade of glitter was really beautiful. It really helped create the look that I was actually going for. Towards the inner corner, I went in with the shimmer shade to create sort of an ombre on the eye, and this turned out wonderful. With the matte shades and also the glitter shades, I didn't experience much fallout. Like, my face was almost completely clean, and that is most definitely a plus for me. Going in with the Nicka liner and using the brush from the NYX because it's more precise for me to create a small wing liner on my eye. Using my favorite mascara from Maybelline to coat my non-existent lashes. Then I'll be going in with these falsies from Absolute New York in the style Thalia, just to add a bit of flair to the eye look. To finish up, I'll be adding this gel liner to my waterline. And I was trying my best to be very careful because I think I have the most sensitive eyes on YouTube. And honestly, if I did mess up this look, I was definitely going to cry. And last but not least, just to bring the look together, I'm going to go ahead to apply some highlighter to my inner eye area and also under my brow bone. So there we have it, guys. It's a look. I was honestly really impressed with the look, like how it came together. You know, I really thought that Nicka kid did the damn thing, you know? They showed up and they showed out with this new palette, and I really love how the final look came together. So for my final honest thoughts on this palette, I love the matte shades. They are very pigmented with little to no fallout, so that's a yes for me. I absolutely love the shimmer shades, like they are giving what they were supposed to give, but I honestly do not like the glitter shades. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you would like me to review any other palettes, please let me know. Feel free to DM me on Instagram. Also, let me know your thoughts on this look and your thoughts on this palette if you have used it before. Stay tuned to more upcoming videos from me, and don't forget to subscribe, my lovelies. Stay safe and stay blessed. See you in the next one.